Welcome guys, this is a 2.4 Toyota 4-cylinder. Just took the head off. And let's take a look inside this cylinder here. That piston is not supposed to be sideways like that in there. Anyway, this motor's obviously junk. We got the block torn apart here some. As you can see, that does not look good. Looks like the rod is bent and twisted there. I haven't got it apart yet. You can see that piston pin down there slid that way. We're going to get the rest of the way apart and see what's going on with it, but as you can see, there's some major shrapnel there. So I don't know if it was the rod let loose, the bolt pulled out, or broke, or what. We will get further into this and let you know. We got the motor completely torn down now. Cranks out, main caps, pistons, balance shaft, oil pump. As you can see, that is number 1 piston. Looks like the piston broke and the pin let loose from the piston came down, caught the rod just bent up. The rod was actually, surprisingly, the rod was, it was twisted, but the bolts were still intact on the crank. I actually took them off. One was just sheared off from getting rotated on there a little bit, but the piston itself is what failed. It's sad to say that's a brand new set of pistons. All the rest of them look perfect. In fact, and just tore loose. Sucks. That was a brand new rebuild kit in that motor. Well guys, this is the Scion XB 2.4 engine here. We basically tore down the head. We're replacing the head gasket on this. Just thought I'd kind of show you the breakdown. Some people were asking me some questions this week and I thought I'd share with you. So as you can see, we got both cams out. Head, you can see the valves in there. There are valve springs, and try and get a little bit of angle here. Exhaust manifold side. See that pretty decent there. There's our valves, plug sticking up. Okay, here's our intake cam. All our caps for the bearing for the hold the cams down. It's the exhaust cam. These are timing chain guides. This here is that fun little tensioner, spring-loaded tensioner. All spring caps. We will be putting, we took the head off now because it's a good head. Installed it on this motor here. We'll be putting the head bolts in shortly. And then the reinstalling the cams. This is the front of the motor before the timing chain and everything comes on. Stay tuned, we'll keep going step by step through it. Thanks.